So what we see with the European market is that there will be some regulatory changes from the 1st of July this year, and then again also in November this year. So the Chinese e-commerce giants and marketplaces, they actually will face these regulatory changes. And that means that the cost of moving parcels from China into Europe will go up significantly. So what they need to do is now figure out what are the alternatives that they have to actually make sure that these costs are reduced or mitigated through other means. So what we see with them is that they're rethinking the supply chain models. Do they still want to ship via air directly to consumers, or do they actually want to go business to consumers? And that is where Maersk also comes in to provide those fulfillment services in the European market. So what in Maersk we have been doing for the last years is building up an infrastructure network where we provide sorting center capabilities in 9 different sorting centers in Europe. And between all of those sorting centers, we also have our own line haul operations. So we move parcels all over Europe, basically, from one country to the other, and then are connected to many of the last mile carriers that make the final mile delivery to consumers. For the Chinese e-commerce players coming into the European market, they now have to face these regulatory changes. So right now they need to figure out, how can I best adopt my supply chain that is functioning today to the new reality? And if Maersk can be of assistance there, then we're happy to work with them.